10 Best Places to Visit in Thailand. Sawis D Crab. Welcome to Travel Treasures, where we explore the most stunning destinations around the world. Today, we're diving into the land of smiles, Thailand. From vibrant cities to tropical paradises, Thailand has something for every traveler. So, let's embark on a journey to discover the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. Bangkok. Bangkok, the vibrant and dynamic capital of Thailand, is a city that effortlessly blends tradition with modernity. Nestled along the banks of the Chao Phraya River, Bangkok is a bustling metropolis that pulsates with energy and excitement. The cityscape is a captivating mix of glittering skyscrapers and ornate temples, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the Thai people. At the heart of Bangkok lies the awe-inspiring Grand Palace, a complex of stunning buildings that served as the official residence of the kings of Siam. Nearby, the iconic Wat Pho houses the renowned reclining Buddha, a symbol of serenity and spirituality. Bangkok street life is equally enchanting, with vibrant markets, lively street food stalls, and a constant buzz of activity. From the modern shopping malls of Sukhumvit to the historical charm of the old city, Bangkok offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Whether you're exploring the intricate details of Wat Arun, taking a boat ride along the river, or immersing yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Khao San Road, Bangkok is a city that leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. Chiang Mai. Nestled amidst the picturesque mountains of northern Thailand, Chiang Mai is a city that captivates with its cultural richness and natural beauty. Known as the Rose of the North, Chiang Mai offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The city is adorned with ancient temples, including the revered Wat Phra Singh and the mountaintop Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, where visitors are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the region. Chiang Mai's old city is a maze of narrow streets lined with traditional wooden houses, bustling markets, and a myriad of temples, creating an atmosphere of timeless charm. Beyond the city, the lush landscapes beckon exploration, with opportunities for trekking in the nearby hills and visiting authentic hill tribe villages. The night bazaar comes alive with a kaleidoscope of colors, offering a vibrant tapestry of handmade crafts, textiles, and local delicacies. Chiang Mai seamlessly combines its rich cultural heritage with modern amenities, making it a destination that resonates with both history enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're admiring the intricate architecture of Wat Chai Luang or partaking in the annual Iping Lantern Festival, Chiang Mai is a city that invites you to discover the magic of northern Thailand. Phuket. Welcome to Phuket, Thailand's tropical paradise and one of Southeast Asia's most sought-after destinations. This island gem, situated in the Andaman Sea, boasts stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a vibrant cultural scene. Patong Beach, with its lively atmosphere and water sports, is the heartbeat of the island's nightlife and entertainment. For those seeking tranquility, Kata and Karen beaches offer a more relaxed setting, complemented by breathtaking sunsets. The iconic Big Buddha, a majestic white marble statue, stands tall atop Nakert Hill, providing panoramic views of the island. Phuket is a gateway to a myriad of nearby islands, such as the Phi Phi Islands and James Bond Island, each offering unique landscapes and vibrant marine life. Old Phuket Town, with its charming colonial architecture, street art, and vibrant markets, reflects the island's rich history. Whether you're indulging in delectable Thai cuisine at local eateries or exploring the vibrant underwater world through snorkeling or diving, Phuket promises an unforgettable experience. This island truly embodies the best of both worlds, seamlessly blending the excitement of a bustling resort town with the serenity of tropical landscapes. Welcome to Phuket, where every moment is an invitation to paradise. Ayutthaya. Step into the enchanting historical realm of Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was once the magnificent capital of the Kingdom of Siam. Located just north of Bangkok, Ayutthaya invites visitors to explore the remnants of its glorious past. The Ayutthaya Historical Park is a treasure trove of ancient temples, crumbling stupas, and intricately carved Buddha statues, all scattered across an expansive landscape. The park reflects the grandeur of a bygone era, where Ayutthaya flourished as a bustling trade and cultural center. The iconic Wat Mahathat, known for the iconic Buddha head entwined in the roots of a banyan tree, is a symbol of the city's resilience through the ages. As you wander through the archaeological wonders of Wat Phra Si Samphet and Wat Che Wat Thanaram, you'll feel the echoes of centuries past. The Ayutthaya Historical Park not only showcases the architectural brilliance of the Siamese civilization but also serves as a poignant reminder of the city's eventual decline after being ransacked by invading forces. Exploring Ayutthaya isn't just a journey through time, it's an immersive experience into the cultural heritage of Thailand. The tranquil Chao Phraya River that surrounds the island adds to the serene ambience, offering boat cruises that provide a unique perspective of the historical sites. Ayutthaya, with its ancient charm and historical significance, is a captivating destination for those who appreciate the blend of history, architecture, and cultural richness. Krabi. Welcome to the breathtaking landscapes of Krabi, a province in southern Thailand renowned for its stunning natural beauty and adventurous spirit. Krabi's coastline is adorned with towering limestone cliffs that dramatically rise from the turquoise waters, creating a mesmerizing backdrop for one of the most picturesque destinations in the country. Railay Beach, accessible only by boat, is a paradise for rock climbers and beach lovers alike. The towering limestone formations provide a unique challenge for climbers, while the pristine sands and crystal-clear waters invite relaxation. The Phi Phi Islands, a short boat ride away, offer a tropical haven with vibrant coral reefs and emerald lagoons, making them a must-visit for snorkelers and divers. Krabi Town, the provincial capital, serves as a gateway to the region's natural wonders. Take a boat trip along the serene Krabi River to explore the mangrove forests and limestone caves, revealing the diverse ecosystems that thrive in this tropical paradise. For those seeking tranquility, the four islands, Phra Nang Cave Beach, Chicken Island, Tup Island, and Poda Island, offer pristine beaches, coral reefs, and the chance to experience the laid-back rhythm of island life. Inland adventures abound in Krabi as well. Explore the lush landscapes and hidden caves of Thung Tio Forest Natural Park, where the iconic Emerald Pool awaits, providing a serene spot for a refreshing swim. Krabi seamlessly combines the thrill of outdoor adventures with the serenity of idyllic landscapes, making it a destination that appeals to nature enthusiasts, thrill seekers, and those simply looking to unwind in one of Thailand's most captivating regions. Welcome to Krabi, where every corner unveils a new facet of tropical paradise. Pattaya. Welcome to the vibrant coastal city of Pattaya, where the sun-kissed beaches meet a lively entertainment scene. Nestled along the Gulf of Thailand, Pattaya has evolved from a quaint fishing village into a bustling resort destination that caters to a diverse array of interests. Pattaya Beach is the epicenter of the city's activities, offering a lively stretch of golden sands where visitors can soak up the sun, engage in water sports, or take leisurely strolls along the promenade. The beach seamlessly transforms as the day progresses, with vibrant markets and street performers taking center stage in the evening. Beyond the beaches, Pattaya is home to a variety of attractions. The Sanctuary of Truth, a colossal wooden structure intricately carved with traditional Thai motifs, stands as a testament to the city's dedication to culture and art. For those seeking a touch of nature, the Nong Nuch Tropical Garden is a lush oasis featuring botanical gardens, cultural shows, and vibrant floral displays. Pattaya's reputation for nightlife is well-deserved, and the famous walking street is a lively hub after the sun sets. Lined with neon lights, bars, clubs, and a myriad of entertainment options, Walking Street is the beating heart of Pattaya's nightlife scene. Families and thrill seekers will find excitement at attractions like Pattaya Floating Market, where traditional Thai culture meets shopping, and Cartoon Network Amazon Waterpark, a paradise for water enthusiasts of all ages. Pattaya seamlessly blends the laid-back charm of a beach resort with the vibrant energy of a bustling city, offering a little something for every type of traveler. Welcome to Pattaya, where the sun, sea, and entertainment converge for an unforgettable experience. Sukhothai. Step into the historical wonders of Sukhothai, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to Thailand's ancient glory. Located in the northern part of the country, Sukhothai was the capital of the Kingdom of Sukhothai, the first kingdom of Siam, during the 13th and 14th centuries. The Sukhothai Historical Park is a mesmerizing landscape of ancient ruins, meticulously preserved temples, and majestic Buddhist statues. As you explore this archaeological marvel, you'll encounter the iconic Wat Mahathat, where the Buddha's serene face emerges from the intricate temple ruins, and Wat Si Chum, housing a colossal seated Buddha that captivates with its aura of tranquility. The historical park is not just a collection of ancient structures, it's a journey through the rich cultural heritage of Thailand. The layout reflects the planning principles of ancient Thai architecture, with moats, bridges, and beautiful lotus ponds adding to the serene ambience. Beyond the historical park, Sukhothai's old city boasts charming remnants of its past, including the Ramkhamhaeng National Museum, which provides a deeper understanding of the region's history and culture. The city's ancient gates and city walls further transport visitors back in time. Sukhothai is more than a historical destination, it's a place where spirituality and nature converge. The landscape surrounding Sukhothai is dotted with tranquil lakes, verdant parks, and the peaceful Yam River, offering opportunities for contemplation and relaxation. Whether you're an aficionado of history, architecture, or simply seeking a serene retreat, Sukhothai invites you to immerse yourself in the cultural tapestry of Thailand's ancient past. Welcome to Sukhothai, where every stone tells a story, and the echoes of history resonate through the ages. Pai. Welcome to Pai, a hidden gem nestled in the mountains of northern Thailand, a bohemian retreat that captivates with its laid-back vibe, stunning landscapes, and artistic charm. Known for its relaxed atmosphere and unique character, Pai has become a haven for travelers seeking an escape from the hustle and bustle of mainstream tourist destinations. Surrounded by lush valleys, Pai offers panoramic views of emerald green mountains and winding rivers. The Pai Canyon, with its narrow ridges and breathtaking drops, is a popular spot for sunset seekers and adventure enthusiasts. The landscape is dotted with hot springs, where you can unwind amidst nature's beauty. The heart of Pai is its quaint town center, adorned with street art, vibrant markets, and an array of charming cafes. Walking Street comes alive in the evening, offering a variety of local crafts, handmade goods, and mouth-watering street food. Pai's artistic spirit is palpable, with galleries showcasing local and international artists, reflecting the town's creative and free-spirited energy. Tam Lod Cave, just a short drive away, invites exploration into an otherworldly subterranean realm. The cave is adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, and a boat ride along the underground river adds a touch of mystique to the Pai experience. Pai's cultural richness is evident in its diverse hill tribe communities. Visiting these villages provides insight into the traditional lifestyles and customs of the local people, adding a layer of authenticity to the Pai experience. Pai is not just a destination, it's a state of mind. Whether you're indulging in a rejuvenating yoga session, exploring the Pai Circus School, or simply lounging in a hammock by the Pai River, this bohemian retreat invites you to embrace the rhythm of a slower pace and celebrate the artistic spirit that defines Pai. Welcome to Pai, a place where time seems to stand still, and every moment is an invitation to unwind and reconnect with the essence of northern Thailand. Hua Hin. Welcome to Hua Hin, a coastal gem that gracefully blends royal elegance with sun-soaked beaches, making it a unique destination on the Gulf of Thailand. Located approximately 200 kilometers south of Bangkok, Hua Hin has long been favored as a retreat for both locals and international travelers, appreciated for its regal charm and vibrant coastal atmosphere. Hua Hin's royal connection is deeply embedded in its history, as it was once a favored seaside getaway for Thai royalty. The grandeur of this association is reflected in the ornate Meruakathawan Palace, a stunning teakwood mansion set along the beach, offering a glimpse into the royal lifestyle. The city's beaches, stretching along the Gulf of Thailand, provide a perfect setting for relaxation and water activities. Hua Hin Beach, with its golden sands and gentle waves, invites leisurely strolls and water sports. The nearby Cicada Market adds a touch of creativity to the evenings, featuring local art, crafts, and live performances in an open-air setting. For those seeking a panoramic view of Hua Hin, a visit to the Khao Takiab viewpoint is a must. The climb to the summit is rewarded with breathtaking vistas of the coastline and the city below. Hua Hin's vibrant night markets, such as the Hua Hin Night Market and the Cicada Market, showcase the city's culinary diversity and provide an excellent opportunity to savor local delicacies, fresh seafood, and Thai street food. Golf enthusiasts will find Hua Hin to be a paradise, with numerous world-class golf courses set against picturesque backdrops. The city's golf resorts offer a perfect blend of sport and leisure. Whether you're exploring the historic Hua Hin railway station, basking in the sun on Hua Hin Beach, or savoring the flavors of the night markets, Hua Hin invites you to experience the perfect synthesis of regal charm, coastal beauty, and cultural richness. Welcome to Hua Hin, where the legacy of royalty meets the allure of the sea. Koh Samui. Nestled in the azure waters of the Gulf of Thailand, Koh Samui emerges as a tropical haven, beckoning travelers with its irresistible blend of natural beauty and vibrant island living. Endowed with powdery white sand beaches framed by swaying palm trees, the island exudes a sense of serenity and relaxation. Chaweng Beach, with its lively energy and soft sands, epitomizes the vibrant spirit of Koh Samui, while Lamai Beach offers a more laid-back retreat. The iconic Big Buddha presides over the island, inviting contemplation and admiration. Koh Samui's interior unfolds a lush tapestry of jungle-clad hills, revealing hidden waterfalls like Nam Muang, and the enchanting secret Buddha Garden, a mystical sanctuary amidst the verdant landscape. As the sun sets, the island transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors, setting the stage for lively nightlife along Chaweng Beach Road and the charming fisherman's village. Beyond the coastal allure, Koh Samui serves as a gateway to the Ong Thong Marine Park, a paradise for island hopping enthusiasts. Whether indulging in wellness retreats, savoring delectable cuisine, or basking in the warmth of Thai hospitality, Koh Samui welcomes all to embrace the laid-back elegance of island life. Here, every sunset marks a moment of sheer bliss in this tropical sanctuary. Welcome to Koh Samui, where relaxation meets adventure in perfect harmony. And there you have it, the 10 best places to visit in Thailand. From the vibrant city life of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Koh Samui, Thailand offers a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, Sawis di Crab.